What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Tell Me Why I'm Waiting by Shiloh Dynasty. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free, brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the details on how you can enter to win, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song.
Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you're only using 3 different chords. If you need the diagrams or the chord names, they will be in the description below, so make sure you check that out when you get done with the video if you need it. For now, you're starting here. The first chord is going to be skip the low E string, and then you're going 7, 9, 7, 8, 7. So you're barring the 7th fret with your index finger, just starting on the A string. You don't have to worry about the low E string right now. Bar that entire fret. Put your ring finger on the D string on your 9th fret, then your middle finger on the 8th fret of your B string. Next chord, you're just barring the entire 7th fret. And then your final chord is going to be skip the low E again and go 9, 11, 11, 8, 9. So bar the entire 9th fret starting on your A string, ring finger 11, D string, pinky finger 11, G string, middle finger 10 on your B string. Now from there, all you need to know is the rhythm to the song, because you're just single strumming every single chord. You're starting on your first chord, and it's going to be, each chord is going to get 8 counts. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then that starts all over. And it just repeats throughout the rest of the song.
There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.